The Xerces Society is the largest invertebrate conservation organization in the world.
I attended a lecture in London about the conservation of the large blue butterfly that was becoming extinct under their noses in spite of the fact that they were doing everything they could to conserve it. I had the thought, well, we've already lost a blue butterfly, the Xerces blue. Wow, that could be our symbol.
Without invertebrates, which are really the base of the food chain, our whole world would collapse. They help clean our rivers. They help make our soils healthy. We work with researchers across the world to understand the animals and the habitats that we're trying to protect. So we're using this science to drive outreach and education, to drive on-the-ground conservation, and to drive policies that will help these animals, but also ultimately help us.
When I think about the Xerces Society, I think about scientists who care. They have a presence all across the country, and every single staff member is enthusiastic about the work they do. And that's what I love about Xerces. They're passionate and so willing to share with anybody who wants to help.
That's really the heart of what I love about my job, is that I think we're actually doing something to benefit people, to benefit insects, to benefit our natural environment.
People wonder, are we really losing all the insects? Really losing the food for the trout? Losing our pollinators? It's all too easy to get depressed by that and give up. And the fact is, it's not everywhere. And it's not all insects. And it's not too late.
There's a greater understanding that time is short and we have to be making some big changes around how we live and interact with the environment.
We are really a pivotal time for both our organization as well as, I think, for the planet. It's about everyone taking steps to protect these animals, because that's what's going to make the change we need. The neat thing about insect and invertebrate conservation is it does not have to be done on a large scale. Anybody can do this by just thinking about a few simple steps. Plant flowers in your yard, and you'll likely see bees and butterflies.
No matter where you are, you can get involved, whether it's monarchs, dragonflies, or freshwater mussels. We have tons of free resources to help you protect these animals.
Xerces offers programming that isn't restricted by age or by knowledge, and that in and of itself is a beautiful thing. Xerces really is a place where people of all walks of life and ages can come together.
We're really trying to energize a lot of different groups of people to be part of the solution, both in our urban spaces and our agricultural areas. If we do a good job, we can get everybody involved.
All of us have the potential to help. This is one of those cases where what one person does can make a difference.